Well, hello there. Let's make a super easy Greek salad. Keep watching because I have a really cool trick for making this salad even faster. This dressing is so easy to throw together. I'm going to use a jar to shake it up. First, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard.
Say what now?
Trust me, the mustard helps emulsify the dressing and give it enough structure to stick to the veggies, and it won't separate. Now I'll add some herbs. I'm using dried herbs because sometimes good quality fresh herbs are hard to find, depending on the time of year and where you live.
This is the bad place.
This is 1/2 teaspoon of parsley, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon oregano,
So fancy.
1/2 teaspoon basil, 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Get that lid on there and give it a good shake, shake, shake. Keep shaking until it gets nice and thick. Set that aside while you chop your veggies for the salad. Here are all the ingredients we'll use today. Mini cucumbers, about 3 this size, 1/2 a red onion, a 1/4 cup of black olives, these are calamatas, and 2 cups of grape tomatoes. And that dressing we made earlier. You can also add about a 1/4 cup of crumbled feta cheese. I like to make this optional in case you're making this for a non-dairy friendo.
Because of the lactose.
Chop up all the veggies into bite-sized pieces. How big or small just depends on what you like. I've started with the red onion. If you don't like it, leave it out.
I do what I want.
Chop up the cucumber. I really like these mini cucumbers. I think they're also called Persian cucumbers. You don't need to peel these and the seeds aren't an issue. If you're using a different kind of cucumber, you may want to peel it and scoop out the seeds. Add that to the bowl with the onion. I bought pitted Kalamata olives for this. You can leave the olives whole if you prefer, but I like to slice them in half just to make sure there are no pits. Because biting into a pit would be the pits.
You're a monster.
Now I'm going to slice up the tomatoes. These grape tomatoes are pretty small, so I only need to slice them in half. And here's a great trick to do this in a hurry. You've probably seen this kitchen hack a million times, but it really works. Use 2 container lids and sandwich your tomatoes in between. Hold your hand on the top lid and slice horizontally, and boom! Half the tomatoes are sliced in seconds flat. These are the only lids I could find in my disaster of a container drawer, so don't be like Lulu. Choose lids without the annoying flap. Look at that, so fast. I have also used my hand to do this, but you can't cut as many, and of course, the risk of slicing yourself is too great. But that's another story. Give the dressing another shake, shake, shake. No, that's enough. Pour the dressing over the veggies. Now give it a gentle toss to completely coat every bite in dressing. If you're going to be using that crumbled feta cheese, you can add it at this point and just sprinkle it on top. You can find the link to the full printable recipe in the description box below. If you learned anything from this video, why not subscribe so you will never miss when I upload a new recipe? If you like Greek-inspired food, give this one a try. Did you know that you are my favorite viewer? Don't tell the others. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!